Hello friends, good evening. My name is Lalita and today we are going to discuss today's editorial page. Today's topic is the safety defect. The Cosito air crash shows that there can be no compromise on airport infrastructure. Means the air crash which was done in the Cosito, that there is a huge loss over that and there will be no compromise. Means like not a disaster. There is a loss was happened, but there is no compromise. They are not going to do again compromise in the infrastructure of the airport. The tragic crash of an Air India Express Vande Bharat relief flight Cosito, in which 18 people, including two crew members, lost their lives, may were left severely injured, is a forceful reminder, and there is no acceptable risk in aviation. So here, there is a tragic crash over this, right? So this is an Air Indian Express, and which the flight name is Cosito. 18 people actually they lost their lives, and two people got a very huge severe. They were severely injured. And again, this thing they're promising that again this mistake wouldn't be happen over. Like again, this mistake wouldn't be happen over this Air Indian Express. Although an even bigger disaster was averted by an absence of fire in the aircraft, the crash snuffed out lives of the many returning home from Dubai after a long traumatic separation from loved ones in the pandemic. So here, like before this, there is a very big air force disaster. There is no aircraft, means like there is no aircraft, means fire engine, that was not there in the flight, and the flight got exhausted, means like extinguished, means we all know that if there is no gas cylinder in the flight, if a small particle of fire comes, it would be extinguished totally, means it would be spread totally. So many people while means from returning to Dubai, actually this a tragic crash was happened while they were returning Dubai, but that was a very big most of the people lost their lives over this. Many Indians could not quickly return home from countries where they were employed, studying or traveling, although they desperately sought flights back home since March. So since March, many Indians who were living in America who were not living in India but other countries, they were not able to return back to the India because of there are no flights running, right? And these disturbances are happened. There is very big, many people stayed in that place but they didn't, and because of this pandemic, many people had lost their loved ones. For those who took that long await trip on August 7th, it ended in disaster. But the people who went in the August 7th for a trip, many of the people had lost their lives. Means recently August 7th, before 3 days, the most of the people had gone to the they had gone to a trip, but most of the people had their life had ended in the disaster. There are a clear pointers to dangerous nature of flight operations at Cosito Airport in the midst of a strong monsoon. So there are a clear pointers of dangerous nature of flight operations at Cosito Airport in the midst of a strong monsoon, even with the availability of an instrument landing system for a tabletop runway carved into undulating terrain. So even when the flight is coming down, many people had tried to protect themselves, but the people who are living down, means who are in the airport, they tried to protect the people who are in the flight, but they lost that hope. They used the one system for helping a tabletop, but a runaway carved into the understanding. There are no problems with visibility. There are no problems with visibility. A far shorter safety area, the runway, and an optimal and absence of the arrestor systems that could stop an overshooting plane from falling off the edge, as it happened with a monsoon aircraft. As happened with this aircraft. So many people more than 18 people, means more than 20 members had lost their lives in this, because visually there is no mistake, but what would we say, the edge happened the aircraft, means the problem in the plane itself. Which of these factors, along with the monsoon impact, led to disaster will become clear with a professional investigation. So like in a professional investigation, so they are going to do investigation, means like for which reason the flight had crashed, and they are going to find they are going to find something like they are going to find something new about what happened actually. The civil aviation ministry should make a full disclosure on the technical evidence gathered, the integrity of which will be scrutinized by safety organizations worldwide. So like by this what happened now, many of the people had now stopped to going to the airports and to flights, but they are saying that there is a fear in the people because of this, and the people the head of the airport were saying that don't get fear, we will solve the problem by soon. Apparently anxious to project an image of normalcy, the ministry allowed the airport to restart flights in a day. So apparently anxious to project an image normalcy, the ministry allowed the airport to restart flights in a day, while the accident cause was at an ascertained. So the ministry it gave the permission again, after the disaster crash had happened, many people were feared and they may stop the departures and arrivals of the flight, but the ministry again gave permission to the again they can go in the flights, and the flights were released. In rainy conditions existed during the landing, as Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has said, these many persist during the rest of the monsoon. So the Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri has said that during monsoon, means at the time of monsoon, when the rain was falling, it was very hard to departure the flight on the road, because it's too raining and the pilot couldn't see the road front, right? At the time the flights would not be as usual, but there would be changes according to the climate. This was said by the Civil Aviation Minister. Each flight must therefore be considered for a potential diversion to safe airport nearby with the bad weather. So if there is a bad weather, means if it looks like cloudy outside, the pilot would get indications, right? So then he need to get landed over the nearby the airport. Many places would be there, right? Means for Hyderabad or Vijayawada, we need to land over the nearer places. Significantly, the admission by the DGCA that key recommendation of runway extension of Posito made almost a decade ago was not possible due to land restriction is although the facility could still support wide-bodied aircraft, the strengthens that view that concerns may have been cut on safety. So they gave a statement that there is no need to worry, everything will be set right within few days, and the disaster was happened because of a bad weather, and we were sorry for they are saying so. The instance of an Air Indian Express plane suffering a tail strike in the same airport last year should have led to full assignment, following up on the recommendations made for the 2010 crash in Mangalore. Similarly, this was happened in 2010 in Mangalore. So the same thing happened, and the people were most fear against what may happen. They were not choosing the Air Indian Express. Since the visible cause of Friday's crash was an overshoot, the runway continues to pose a threat. Bad meteorological conditions such as rain and wind, and runway surface problems such as stagnation of water or rubber deposits that contribute to skidding endanger passengers and crew. Every air safety incident diminishes India's reputation. The caused crash should lead to a fresh review to all risky airports. Transparent remedial action must be taken immediately. So they said that transparent immediate means there should be a very fast response over the airport, And if the condition is very bad outside, if the weather was not at all good outside, they need to they have to land the flight very fast. And let us look at the meanings. Averted means prevent, stop, avoid means like stop means putting a pause to something and we were avoiding it. Snuffed means extinguish a flame, put out or choke. Extinguish a flame means we already know that the fire had extinguished in this area, means the fire had spread in this area. Traumatic means disturbing, shocking and distressing. Disturbing, shock means someone is being disturbed and got shocked by this incident. Sought means attempt to find something, desire, pressure, ask for. Attempt to find something means we were doing something, like we are attempting something, so like we would get a result in a very good manner. Undulating means having a wavy surface, edge marking. Wavy surface means like it's a very up and down surface, and which was at the edge means like the flight was crashed at the edge, right? So like that. Terrain means land, ground, territory. Terrain means we already read in the biology, right? Means like land, ground means we would say terrestrial animals, right? Terrestrial animals means which they would live on land. That was called as terrestrial. Arrestor means a device or a person which prevents or stops a specified things. Means arrestor means a device or a person, means something that would stop without happening, means that was thing to be happen but they stop from happening. Apparently means seemingly, evidently. Seemingly, evidently means if we observe we could get this answer. Evidently means the clue for finding out something. Ascertain means discover, find out for certain. Discover means which was already found, again they found something new in that, so that was called as ascertain. Overshoot means to go further or do more than necessary or expected. To go further means we would expect something expect if I expected 15% but it happened over 50%, so expected more than happened. Skidding means slide on a slippery ground, means like skidding means we already know that for example if it was raining heavy rain, it was very hard to departure a flight on the land, so it was very the road would be very skiddy, right? So the wheels get crashed over that. Beguiling means charming, enchanting in a descriptive way. Enchanting means chanting means continuously saying something same, repeating it again and again. Enchanting means we are not repeating again, we would say only once. Belie means fail to give a true impression, contradict and debunk. Belie means fail to give a true impression, means I'm filing to they didn't give the right impression to the people. They were only confused to give us the they were only confused to give us the statement, right? Ominous means threatening, menacing, sinister, doomy. Sinister means we already know that something evil or threatening, means getting fear of that particular thing. Opened means turn upside down. Turn upside down means which was already down, we turned it up, vice versa. Rendered means cause someone or something to be in a place, give something to someone, cause someone or something to be in a place, this was caused that this thing on this place, something reason for happening that. Devastating means destructive, ruinous, disastrous, catastrophic. Catastrophic means that was related to astrology. Incorporate means include, submine, engulf and assimilate. Assimilate means we know in biology that assimilate powers means energy powers. Constitution means the action of arguing, means if I would action of arguing means what would we say? Action of arguing means if I did this thing there would be chance arguing may happen. Aggravate means make a situation worse, annoy it. Aggravate means make a situation very hard and making a situation very worse in a particular situation. For example, The person had aggravated the function, so he did a worse thing and the function has totally spoiled. So this is today's editorial page. Thank you.